Tokyo Olympics will be held without spectators. For the first time in the history of the Games, the Olympics will be held behind closed doors. Fans have been banned from entering Olympics venues in Tokyo and 3 other neighboring prefectures. Some spectators, however, will be allowed in venues outside the greater Tokyo area, but most events will have no fans. The announcement comes after the government of Japan declared an emergency in the face of Wuhan virus resurgence. Our next report tells you what a spectator-less Olympics means for the Games and the government of Yoshihide Suga.
I have been saying that we might have no spectators if the state of emergency was issued.
For the first time in the history of the Olympics, there will be no spectators. Tokyo 2021 will be a closed Olympics. Wuhan virus cases have gone up. 2,180 new cases were reported in Japan. At least 920 of these in Tokyo alone. Japan has declared an emergency and banned spectators from the stands.
Around 2 weeks to go until the start of the Olympics. It will be held under a state of emergency unprecedentedly.
This is bad news for all. Tokyo 2021 has always been more than just the Games. It has been a matter of pride for the government of Japan. It took up the challenge to host an already postponed Olympics and to recover the expenses. But a ban on spectators means there will be no income from ticket sales. The state of emergency means that even the food and hospitality industry will lose out, as bars and restaurants will not be allowed to serve alcohol. What does all of this mean for the government of Yoshihide Suga? A further fall in popularity. Japan's ruling party suffered a loss in recently held city elections. Experts saw this as a mandate on the government's decision to go ahead with the Olympics despite all odds. In 3 months from now, Japan will also hold elections for its lower house. If the city polls were a bellwether, the response to emergency measures only weighs in on it.
I don't think we should hold the Olympics in such a situation.
I think the Olympics should be cancelled right away.
I just want to say that it's enough. The vaccination for the general public has begun. I think it's fine that the government issued the state of emergency, but the restrictions are very unreasonable, and that's what I can't agree with.
I think our life has been constrained because the decision makers didn't do enough. I feel like we are being taken for fools, and I wonder why things have become so chaotic.
Japan has declared a state of emergency till the 22nd of August. The Olympics start on the 23rd of July and go on till the 8th of August. Tokyo 2021 will go down in history books as the first closed-door Games. Also one where the government of the host country may end up with a loss. The referee is yet to take a call on that. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.